Kailangan ba natin ng tsa-tsa para sabihin that we are open for business? Sabi nila sarado ang ating ekonomiya. Pero ang totoo, bukas naman talaga tayo sa foreign investors. We have made great strides in the past years liberalizing our economy without compromising our national security or leaving behind Filipino businesses. Would amending the public utilities provision in our Constitution open the economy or open a can of worms? Hindi lang ito usapin ng pagpasok ng foreign capital at businesses. Tignan din natin ang magiging epekto. Pwedeng tanggalin sa mga Pilipino ang control sa lahat ng sektor na nagbibigay serbisyo sa publiko. Pwedeng makontrol ng ibang bansa ang tubig, kuryente, seaports, gasolina at public utility jeeps natin. Handa pa tayo dito? Kaya ba natin makipagkompetensya sila? Makakasabay ba ang Pilipino at local businesses sa pagpasok ng foreign competition sa lahat ng industriya? Makakasiguro ba tayo na papasok ang foreign investors, uunlad ang bayan? These are the questions needed to be answered. Nasa pag-amyenda ba ng konstitusyon o palagi na nating sinasabi, nasa pagpapalakad ng ating mga ahensya, pagbawas ng korupsyon kung hindi man tanggalin ng todo-todo at paglimita ng bürokrasya.
Sa amyenda natin na ito, pati po ang critical utilities natin fair game na for future Congresses to give away. Yes, even to state-owned foreign companies which pose grave national security risks. Imbes na basagin ng charter change ang monopolyo ng mga dominant domestic companies, papalitan lang ba sila ng mga dayuhang kumpanya? Ganun din, baka mas malala pa.
The Public Services Act was really scrutinized by the Senate and made sure that under our chair, Senator Grace Poe, that it would be for the benefit of the Filipino people to improve our utilities and other infrastructure and others. Likewise, Mr. Chair, we just recently passed the Public Partnership Public-Private Partnership Code, no, which are all intended to improve our services, infrastructure, energy, and utilities here in the Senate. I think we just have to give these measures the chance that to be realized. So is it really charter change really needed at this point now that these two legislations were already passed, which are intended to improve our utilities and others. We really have to be very careful about all of these things. We cannot rush. We cannot put deadlines. No, we cannot be pressured because it's not very easy to amend the Constitution. No? And so we cannot make mistakes, Mr. Chair. So